Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a clean with me video, organizing and tidying up my makeup room, my vanity, my filming area, this little cart thing right here that has just no organization to it whatsoever. We're gonna tackle that today. Honestly, I wanted to film this because I feel like if I don't film it, I'm just not gonna do it. And so this is kind of giving me the push that I need to organize some stuff. So maybe if your makeup area, your vanity, whatever it may be, needs some organization or some tidying up, you can do that along with me today. I'm probably going to set most of this to music, but hopefully it'll be kind of relaxing, satisfying to watch. I know I enjoy watching videos like this, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you what we're working with and then we'll get right on into it. Okay, so things are all organized now. You can see my filming table is nice and tidy, and this cart feels so much better than it did before. Basically, I just wanted it to be like useful stuff to have next to me while I'm filming. So on the top, I really don't have much on here. I have my gray card for filming, my lighter I always use to light the candle behind me, some little lens cloths in case I ever need that for my camera, some cloths that I use while I'm filming to kind of like wipe off my brushes, hands, all kinds of stuff like that, a scrunchie, some micellar water for removing swatches, some sunscreen if I ever need to reapply before I apply makeup, and a setting spray. So that's kind of just like everything I need to have right here next to me while I'm filming. Oh, I just thought of something I wanted to add here. These are just some of those microfiber cloths, kind of like the makeup erasers. Those are really good for removing swatches. I typically use that and some micellar water if I'm like filming swatches. Here on this second level, I've got, this is a bag of items I'm decluttering. Some of them are things I got in PR that I don't want, and some of them are decluttered items that are still looking for a home. So if my mom is ever visiting, or if I have like friends coming over or anything like that, I'll let them look through this. And then some of those things might get sent to Project Beauty Share as well, the unopened things. Got some rubbing alcohol that I use for repressing, some more of that in the spray bottle, some tape that I can use to fix hardpan, my nail polish remover and cotton balls, and then I'm not really sure what to do with this. This is the vault that the Sultry vault came in during the holidays last year. I'm hoping I find a use for this just because it's really pretty, but for now it's just going to stay right there. In this bottom level I have nail supplies, so I've got all of my press-on nails. I've got quite a collection of those, and then all my nail polishes as well, so that's just the best place for me to keep that, and it seems to work just fine. And then I also tidied up my vanity. Here I have some palettes I'm focusing on. I've got my 1 month 1 palette, and then some others that I'm testing out, and then my Belgian waffle palette from BH Cosmetics that I just use all the time. And then I'm just using this as kind of a bookend to keep those things standing up. And then my sponges, a few things that I am using a lot lately, and then this has some like dirty brushes in it that I am going to wash eventually, and a little rag in it. Normally I have more rags in there for when I'm getting ready, but right now I need to wash those. So, and then this is a little box that I use to take things back and forth from here to my filming table. So there's that. Looks so much better. So that is it for this little clean with me vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it either relaxing or satisfying or motivating or all of the above. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. And hopefully I will talk to you again very soon in my next video. Bye.